So today we have long-awaited accessory that I've been looking for. It's the Canon SELPHY CP1500, and with it came the cartridge box. So it is 108 sheets with the printer, and it includes ink as well. So the way this works is it prints four layers. Prints yellow, magenta, and then blue, and then at the top it's got a clear coat for the protective coating. So we're gonna first start with downloading the application. So it's a SELPHY, the app's called SELPHY, and as soon as you get into it, it will start asking you to set up your printer. So first question is select the printer. So it's the CP1500 we're doing today. Register your printer now. Yes, so I'm going to do that. And it's asking me to scan the QR code on the printer screen. So we're going to put that aside for now. Next, we're going to open the box and see what we have inside. So obviously, like everything else, we have the user manual and standard limited warranty. So I believe this is 1 year warranty in Philippines. Put that aside. After that, we have the tray to put the paper. So you simply, this is already open. So you open it like that. So it opens like that. You put the paper in, you close it, and then you have your paper. So after this, we will put in the paper. Put that aside for now. After that, we have the power cable. We have the power line brick. So I'm just gonna put all the plastic on the side over here, and then we're gonna untangle all of this because we're gonna have to power it up, of course. So we're able to scan the QR code. Unwind that. I have ordered additional 2 batteries plus a charger. So that's probably the thing that really made me purchase this one instead of any of the other options out there. Reason being is you can have it on the go. If you do street photography or candid photography where you take pictures of people on the street and you want to, print out the print on the go while you're there and then give it to them. That's basically the real reason why I selected this one. Why I selected this one over any of the other ones. Next we have printer itself, and you can see the box is empty. I'm gonna put that down for now. Put all the things in there so we can make sure we have the warranty if anything happens. It's nicely cling wrapped, bubble wrapped. I've got the black color. They only had the black variant, but the black one is the one that I was looking for. All right, put that down. Now let's quickly have a look at it. We have the front panel. On the front panel you have a screen. You have the power button. You have OK button, directional buttons, and the menu button, as well as back. Now here at the back, this is where you put the power. So let's power that on now. And while we're at the back, you also have this over here. So this is basically where you insert the battery if you have the battery pack. And I think you can print around 100 pictures with the battery. Don't quote me on that. Obviously we will do a test once I get the batteries in. It should be here by next week. Right, put that back in again. Let's remove the plastic. Nice and lovely. Then at the front here, you're gonna open it. Okay, that's where you put in your paper tray. and you just pop it in there after you've inserted your paper. Then on this side you have a USB Type-C port. Now I'm not sure exactly what that's for. I'm assuming that you'll be able to charge it, maybe power it, not sure. We'll have to look at that later on. You might be able to transfer from a hard drive, might be able to connect it to your laptop or your phone directly, but we'll get into that in a different video. On the left side, this is where you put in your ink cartridge. So now, since we're here, before I put anything in the paper or the cartridge, let's power it on. So just press down the power button. You can see the Canon, and then let's just wait for it to boot up. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this out for now, put this on the side again so you can see. So next we have what language, so we're going to select English. We recommend using the dedicated SELPHY Photo Layout app when printing from smartphone. Install SELPHY Photo Layout. Okay, press OK. Now this is where it initiates you to scan the QR code from your phone. Okay, so visit the site on your smartphone and install SELPHY app layout. Okay, busy. Here on my phone, I'm also going to say OK. Then it's going to ask you to be able to use the camera to scan the QR code. Say yes. So now I'm at the point where it says in SELPHY Photo Layout, select SELPHY CP15 on the printer selection screen, which we've done already. Press OK. Then screen for scanning QR code appears. Okay. Scan the QR code below with the, okay, so now it's given you the QR code. I'm not going to show you the QR code because that's my QR code. I'm going to take the phone. You can see it's asking to scan the QR code, so we're going to scan that and connect it to the printer for registration. Okay. Connect. Printer has been registered. Okay. So now you can select the type of paper size. So the paper size we have here is the paper set JP108 ink. JP108 in. So that's the postcard. So we're going to select postcard. Press OK. And then it's going to take you to a screen where you have a few options. You have photos, collage. You can also do ID photos, shuffle, custom size, and tiling. All right. So let's do photos. Allow all access. So now you can see all the access on your phone memory. Let me see if I have a photo here that I want to print actually. I actually have quite a nice one. It's going to be for my colleagues. But let's put that aside for now. So use SELPHY Photo Layout, print, okay. No paper, no ink. So now this is when we're going to start installing the paper and the ink. So let's put all of this to the side right now. And we're going to open the ink and paper cartridge box now. So this one was included with the purchase. It comes with 3 ink cartridges, right, which is lovely. And it's also coming with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packets of paper. Total paper amount is 108 sheets. Okay, so let's put those back again. And then we'll keep this on the side as well. Now this is where we open up the paper tray. Okay, and you're gonna put the glossy side to the top, as I believe. I'll just refer to the manual. So there's also a SD card reader included. To be honest, I believe it's the glossy side that goes on top. So we're gonna open it. And careful not to touch the glossy side. Okay, we're gonna insert it in here. We're gonna close the first tray. So now you have your paper inside. Now we're gonna insert the tray into. Lovely. So it's just unplugged. Don't let that happen while you're using it. So just plug it in again. Hopefully it's not deregistered or anything. So yeah, we're gonna attach the paper now. Now we have the ink cartridge. So the ink cartridge, there's only one way you can really insert it. So you'll know which way is the correct way, which way is the wrong way. So open that. And then we're gonna okay, so I believe that's probably the wrong way. No, that's the right way. All right, yep, that was the right way. Insert it, close it, and now I've selected the photo I want to print. I say OK. So date caption none, date caption position none, border, borderless, background white, print finish glossy. Yeah, glossy. Let's do it glossy. Image optimize when printing. On autocorrect of brightness and contrast by Selphy. So I'm gonna let that one run for the first time using it. And then dot grid. Print a grid in the area without photo. Yes. All right, so I'm gonna say OK and say print. So connecting to the printer. It's busy. So now it says image has been sent. See the printing screen for the printing status, continue editing. Yes. Okay, so it is printing the yellow first. Then after that, it's printing the pink or the magenta. And then after that, it's printing the blue. Wow. And after that, it's going to do one more coat of clear coat, and then we have our first print. And I must say, it looks pretty spectacular. All right, so that's the first print I've done, and I must say I'm pretty happy. So now you can see at the ends you have these borders. So just break those off if you want to. And then there we have it. Our first print, and that was quite quick. That was decently quick. The quality is really good. Color is fantastic. The detail is great. Yeah, I love it. I'm going to try and find one more picture. And then we're going to print one more picture. One of the pictures I've taken, and see the quality of what it looks like. All right, so remove that one. I really want to try and get a good picture. Adobe Lightroom. No, I don't have anything there. Okay, so it doesn't seem like I have really anything right now. Okay, here's one of the moon. I'm gonna print one of the moon, so it's mostly black and white. I'm gonna turn off the optimize because I feel like it's already the way it should be, and then let's print. So let's see the performance of black and white as well. Let's see. Set timer. So it's just received it now, starting now, and I'm setting a timer.
What duration or time would you like the timer to be set?
Okay, well my watch is being silly. So the first one is just yellow, can't really see much. Again, next one is pink, looks really red right now. You can start seeing the details of the moon. And then the blue, wow. That looks pretty awesome. Moon photography is one of my favorites, so having to be able to print that, it's really awesome. So there you have it. This is a photo I've taken myself, edited myself, and now finally being able to print it is definitely a milestone for me, I would say. Being able to see your work printed out in your hand is a great feeling, and this one will go in the frame in my room, and I'm looking forward to print many more. Stay tuned to see more content of the SELPHY CP1500.